Hi, everyone. My name is Professor Davis. My pronouns are they, them. And I want to offer you a brief introduction to English 102, especially some of the features in Canvas that you'll need to navigate the course this summer semester. So from the Canvas menu, once you click on the course menu on the side and click on our class, it'll take you to this page right here. And on this page, we have a module that will stay the same all semester up here. And then each week is divided into a module, week 1, week 2, etc. This week, we want to read the information up here, as well as the materials for week 1. And there's some assignments due, which I'll get to in a second. First, the most important thing to do this week is to read the syllabus and take notes. There's going to be a quiz over the syllabus. You can use the syllabus as you're taking the quiz. You can have the quiz open. You can have the syllabus open as you're taking the quiz. The point is that you're searching around and re-examining the syllabus as you take the quiz. The syllabus has my information, the class information, description of the course, what the assignments are, how much they're worth, as well as a lot of other important information. Make sure to please read that carefully. You'll also find a Zoom link to our classes that meet on Mondays from 6 to 7:30 here, but there's another place where you can find those as well. There's also a Welcome to English 102 that I would encourage you to read that gives a little bit about the class. And then something that we're going to use every single week is the Zoom links to classes and office hours. On Mondays from 6 to 7:30 p.m., we have a synchronous class that takes place on Zoom. So starting next week, we'll have our first class. You just click on the link here, put in the meeting ID. Every single week, it's a permanent link on Mondays from 6 to 7:30. In addition, I want to show you a few things that are important in the weekly modules. So at the beginning of each week, there's this thing called week 1 instructions, week 2 instructions, etc., that kind of give the goals of the class, as well as an overview of what we're doing, and sometimes a key takeaway. So always read that first. It will help guide you through the materials that we're using throughout the week. In addition, there's required materials for each week. These materials are often links to another website or a video. I don't really like to read my links inside the screen. And so a trick that I like to use is I click on the hyperlink up here and open up the website in another tab so that I can read it more clearly and easily. If it's a video, I can pause it, etc. And then finally, each week there's going to be a discussion, which has 2 parts. The first part is usually due on Thursday. This week it's Friday because we're starting late. And the second part on Sunday. The way to contribute to discussions is to click reply down here. And a little text box will open up. And you can put in your response down here. And then you can reply to other students as well, which is one of the requirements of the discussions. Each week, there's also a workshop. During 3 of the weeks, there's essays as well. The workshops are smaller assignments that help you build your essays. And then there's 2 quizzes this semester. As I mentioned at the beginning, the syllabus quiz, you can have the syllabus open in one tab while you're taking this quiz. The point is that you're looking closely at some of the questions that I want to highlight. And so that is some of the basics of navigating English 102 in Canvas. I have office hours, which you can also find in these Zoom links to classes and office hours on Wednesdays from 1 to 2 and on Thursdays from 6 to 7. So if you want to stop in and meet before the first class, which meets next Monday at 6 o'clock, I have office hours this Wednesday from 1 to 2 and Thursday from 6 to 7. That's it. Thank you.